In primetime news this evening, government announces multi-billion-dollar support for the vulnerable. Dream turned into a nightmare. Why Negril vendors are at odds with the authorities ahead of major entertainment event. And early adjournment in one Don gang trial.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what's your reaction to the announcement that government will be providing $2.7 billion in new social intervention programs to assist Jamaicans struggling with the rise in the cost of living. You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.